Hello everyone, today I will show you how to insert a rectangle shape in a PDF file using Wondershare PDF element. Open your PDF file with Wondershare PDF element. Now click on this comment option and here you will find this comment arrow and this rectangle shape. Click here. Now drag your mouse cursor and draw your shape. And this rectangle shape now inserted, and this right side was this top corner. Here you will find this properties option. You can increase this shape border thickness. Also you can change this shape color, and this is fill color. You can add this fill color and see this. Also you can make this transparent and see this, or you can remove this is. You can show no color, and this border style, see this, and make it solid border. Also you can remove border and transparency. Yeah, this is. In this way you can insert rectangle shape on your PDF file, and finally select this file option, save or save as your PDF file. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, share and comment.